Okay, beautiful colors. Let me add 1 cup of water. This is my catfish in a bag here. Last night I added a half a teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of thyme, and 1 teaspoon of the adobo seasoning. And let me show you that. Here's the adobo all-purpose seasoning, sea salt, and this is thyme that I have in this container here. And in this plate you will see 1 teaspoon of cumin right there, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and I added some more black pepper. I like black pepper. Okay, so let me get the fish ready. It's already in a bag. All I gotta do is add the cornmeal, and I will show you I'm using the Cajun cornmeal. Okay, I mixed up the seasoning. So now I'm gonna place it in this bag with the fish. Okay. And I'm gonna mix it up. See, I mixed up everything really well. So now I'm gonna add the Cajun cornmeal to it. It's called Cajun fish fry seafood bread and mix, okay? Okay, here's the fish with the corn bread and mix on it. And the oil is ready. Okay, all right. So let me just go ahead and place it. Okay, I'm gonna just cook one at a time. Right now, I don't wanna add too many pieces of fish because I don't want the temperature to drop lower than 350 degrees, okay? So I used to do a lot of fish at my restaurant I had. I really did enjoy cooking and making the fried catfish. And most of the time it was Cajun catfish. People just love that flavor for some reason. And it's a simple spice. It's not difficult at all. But for some reason in the area where I had my restaurant, they really loved that taste. So today I'm preparing it Cajun style restaurant fish at home. Okay, because if you go out to a restaurant, you're gonna be paying pretty close to like maybe $24 definite for 3 pieces of fish. When I purchased the whole bag for only $13 at Walmart, and I got about 6 pieces of fish. I only decided to cook 3 today, but you can cook more if you like. It's up to you and your family size. So, all right, I'll see you in a little bit. I don't want to come out of here. Okay. Okay. Looks good and smell good. All right, I'm gonna add another piece in there. All right, Alexa, set a timer for 12 minutes. the vegetables, I'm gonna use creamy Alfredo sauce. I'm gonna use only half a jar of this, okay? Alexa, stop. Okay, I'm gonna add a little cheese to the pot here. I added the Alfredo sauce in there earlier. Okay, and that's it. Wow, everything smells delicious, and the fish is so crunchy. It's restaurant quality. Bill is gonna try it. I don't know if you can hear him eating behind me, but he's not dressed for the camera, so he said everything tastes delicious. He even tried some of the sweet potatoes, and he's not very fond of sweet potatoes, but he tried. Thanks for watching.